Okay, y'all, so this is part 2 on my sourdough because yesterday I tried it and I failed. So I just said to myself, like, I'm going to try again tomorrow, and when it looks good, I'm going to come back and show y'all. So it actually looked good. It's sticky, so I'm going to leave it alone. I'm about to let it rest. I'm about to work a little bit, and then I'm going to come back and then see how much bigger it gets, and then I'm going to show y'all. Okay, y'all, so I'm on my last set of stretch and fold, and then I'm about to put it in this baking dish. So I was going to make rolls, but I think I'm going to just make this into a whole loaf so I can see how I want to play with my dough next time. So I'm about to do some stretch and pulls real quick. Work with me, okay? So here's my dough. I'm about to stretch and fold. It is really still a little sticky. That's okay. I think I pulled that too much. Mind y'all, this is my second time. My first time was yesterday. I didn't have the right flour, so it didn't turn out good. So don't expect me to be the best, y'all. There's my dough. I'm about to wash this and then put a little red towel in here and then let this poof again. Okay, so I took the loaf out the oven. It did not rise as much as I wanted it to. Then that's because my sourdough starter is not it's not as active as I thought it was. So I have to wait a couple more days to use the sourdough. But I'm making a whole new batch of dough on the side with active yeast instead of sourdough. And we're going to see how that one turned out. But for now, this is what this one is looking like. Okay, y'all. So this is the moment of truth. We about to cut it in half. I am honestly scared out my motherfucking asshole. I am. But we going to do this. So let's go. If it don't look like bread in the middle, oh well. At least we tried. Oh, it's kind of hard. I mean, it's burnt, right? Y'all, it is not looking like bread. It looks like bread, but it did not. Oh wait, I mean that looked like bread. That like bread. Aww. I don't know. It looked good. These pieces right here in the middle, that's like iffy. What does this mean? So if you out here and you make sourdough bread, look at this bread. There we go. It looks like bread. But it still look real spongy, like. But we still gonna try it because I'm gonna waste nothing that I make. This is probably gonna get thrown out. I don't know, y'all. Like that right there. What does that mean? I'm trying to get the sides that look more bready so I know it's actually done. That's kind of hard. So this one kind of look like bread. So. Okay, I'm not gonna cap. It tastes like bread. But the texture, that's what it is. It's like, it tastes like bread, but the texture, y'all. So I made a new batch of dough. We're gonna try this again tomorrow. This dough looks so much better. The difference between this and that, I use active yeast in this one, but I only use sourdough for this one. I've come to the conclusion that my sourdough starter is not ready yet. I'm gonna let my sourdough marinate for a couple days, and then I'm gonna try sourdough bread again. But for now, we're gonna go on a journey of just making regular bread and different kind of bread. It was a fail so that I could succeed. So I'll see y'all in the next video.